Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox account you want to customize, so profile data and themes sync correctly. Once signed in, navigate. Press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, then Settings, General, Personalization. Make sure your image source is ready, insert a USB with a JPEG, open OneDrive, or have the Xbox mobile app signed in. These are the 3 fastest methods. Once done, select Background to begin. Choose the source that matches where you stored the image. You now pick the image and prepare it for the display. Start by selecting the source. If using USB, pick the folder and the JPEG. If OneDrive, sign in and browse to the photo. Use the built-in crop and positioning tools to fit 16:9 screens and zoom or nudge until important elements are centered. Once satisfied, press Confirm and preview how it looks on Home and Guide. Make sure to test both light and dark interface modes for legibility. You finish by applying the image and saving the new theme to your profile or console. Select Apply to Home or Apply to Guide, then verify the change displays correctly. If the wallpaper fails to appear, restart the console first. Make sure the file is a supported JPEG/PNG and under console size limits. Once done, if problems persist, clear persistent storage, reconnect OneDrive, or copy the image to a USB and import again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.